So today I'm going to show you how to put wiper blades in a Tesla, which might sound silly, but it is a little bit different. So for anybody that doesn't know, this is going to be a good tutorial. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into the car and under service, type in wiper in the search, and there's going to be wiper service mode, whatever it's called. That puts the wipers up like this. And then now you can actually move the wiper blades around, which is going to give you more ability to actually get at them. So I ordered the wipers from Tesla. I know you can get them probably Canadian Tire or in the States, whatever would be equivalent. I just have weird luck. When I try to buy the ones that say work online, they don't actually fit. So I've just kind of always gone with OEM, and they've been good for me for the last 2 years. I've only had to replace them. I think this will be my third set. And I have to replace these ones because David Moss and I were doing some FSD testing, and things went a little sideways. And since then, my one wiper now makes a noise whenever I use it. So I'm hoping this fixes it. To be honest with you, I'm not sure, but pretty simple. Take it out of the thing, obviously. There's just one button here that you press, and then you push it up, it's off. The old one. There's a size for the driver's side, and then a size for the passenger side. The driver's side is the longer one. And then again, super simple. Push it on, you hear the click. That's literally it. So that's the old one here. New one's on. Let's do it again over here on this side. Button off, on, just like that until you hear the click. So you're done now. You can throw the old ones out. So that is it. Just a super short tutorial on how to do your wipers. Again, pretty straightforward for anybody coming from any other vehicle. Like I said, the only nuanced difference is the fact that you go into the wiper service menu and it allows you to change it. Because otherwise, they're tucked so far down that it's hard to get to. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.